Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Analytics Expert. In this channel, you will get knowledge of MIS, data analytics and data science and BI development. If you are looking to migrate your career from operational job to data analytics or data science, you can come to me. You will get excellent practical knowledge with me and you will get job placement also. Okay, so you will get lifetime validity of your course. If you want to revise your course 2-3 times, then I will give you free of cost. So my motive is to provide excellent training quality and placement. Okay, so in this video I'm going to cover VBA one topic, separate number and separate text. So how we can do it? Let's see the practical approach. So I am going to code window. Here is my code window. So I'm going to write the code. So writing macro name separate number. Okay. And here you can see mix of value is available in our data. Means number and text is mix up. Number, text, space is mix up here. So I have to pick here only number value in this ref B column. Okay. So I will write here. First, I will activate the seat. My seat is seat 40. So right here, seat 40 dot select. Okay. Then first I need to read all the cell value one by one. So I will have to use here for each loop. So here I will declare dim RNG as range, and I have to write here for each RNG in range A1 to A5, bracket close. Now you have to take here next RNG, and here I will write MSG box, and I will take here RNG dot value. Okay, now you can see here all the value is readable. For this is your first value, this value is second value, this value is third value, this value is fourth value, and this value is fifth value. Done. So now what I have to do, from this value you need to pick numbers. Okay, so what I have to do here, I have to write here for I equal to 1 to total length of whatever value I'm getting in RNG. So total length of RNG. Okay, now I will close for loop. Next I. Okay, and here I will take character reading. Whatever character is available, whatever character is available, R, A, M is a character. So I have to pick one by one character and check in condition whether it is a number or text. Okay, so what I have to do here, I need to declare one more variable, dim schar. Char means single character reading, that's why I'm taking here schar, and as variant data type. In schar, character will be number and text both. Okay, so what I have to do here, I need to write schar equal to worksheet. No need to write here worksheet. Write down mid, and here I will write RNG, comma, start number will be I, comma, one by one character I need to pick. That's why I'm taking here one. Okay, then I have to write here if schar like double quote, and in this bracket I have to take 0 to 9. Okay, then and if. Okay, and if I'm getting any character which match with 0 to 9, 0 to 9 means it can be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If any character is matching with this number, then I have to store that number in another variable. So I will take here another variable is result. Result. Okay. Result equal to result and as char. Okay. If any character is matching with this, then it will store into result. After getting all the character which is matching from this digit, then it will store all the digits into result. Then I have to take output in B column. So this is a RNG which reading this value. Then you have to move one offset. So one offset you need to move here. So you need to take here RNG dot offset 0, 1 bracket close result. After placing all the numbers into B column, you have to reset this result. Okay, result value you need to reset. So you need to write here result equal to blank. Okay, now I'm running this. First value is not, first character is R. So R is not matching with this character. That's why it's skipped. Nothing is in result. Now second character is A, it will skip. Third character is M, it will also skip. And fourth character is 4, it will match. So you will get it in result. Okay. Then fifth character is also number, it will store into result. Now you can see here 4, 5. Okay. Then next. So I will read all the characters here of this word. So now all the character is read. So you can see here whatever number is available, it's concatenated in result. Now you have to place. Done. Okay. Press second. You can see here all the numbers stored in B2. Okay. Okay. Done. Done. So this is separated all all numbers from this word. Okay. So this is a way to separate the number. Now I will let you know how we can separate text. So you will have to write here else part. Else you need to take here. Here I am declaring one more variable, result 1. Result 1. And here I will write result equal to result ampersand. In else part I will take rest of the value. Rest of the value is only uh, text and space. So here I will take s char and result 1 value. Here I have to take result 1, not result. And result 1 value I need to store in C column. So here done, and take here 2 and 1. Okay. Now here you have to reset result one. Press F5. Now I'm not getting, oh, sorry, this one. Press F5. You can see here. All done. Thank you so much for this video.